Have you ever wondered how a star dies? Or how are larger and heavier elements created in this universe? Well, here is your answer. A massive supernova explosion. In this video we will be covering what are supernovas in depth. So watch till the end. To first understand what are supernovas, we need to first know what do we mean by a living star. A star is made up of hydrogen and helium gases. They undergo a process called nuclear fusion and emit energy in the form of heat and light, like our sun. The pressure and temperature on the stars are very high. So high that they can disintegrate atomic structures, like hydrogen, which leaves behind a proton and electron. When two such protons combine together, they form helium atom. This is called nuclear fusion. This nuclear fusion creates an outward force on the star. It neutralizes the inward force caused by gravitation on the star. But during course of time the hydrogen fuel runs out, and helium slowly fuses to make heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, neon, silicon and iron. At one point, the core is concentrated with iron, and the outward force is weak. Nuclear fuel gets over. Gravity wins. The core collapses. There are two types of supernovas. In a binary star supernova, one of the stars is a white dwarf. The other star can be anything from a giant star to an even smaller white dwarf. The white dwarf loses its fuel and reaches ignition temperature, and collapses and becomes like a nuclear time bomb. Then a big blast occurs where the core, iron, is fused into larger elements, like gold, uranium and rutherfordium. A Type II supernova, plural, supernovae or supernovas, results from the rapid collapse and violent explosion of a massive star. A star must have at least 8 times, but no more than 40 to 50 times, the mass of the Sun to undergo this type of explosion. A supernova is basically a massive explosion once a star runs out of fuel. They create heavier elements in this universe. This isn't the only way of how a star dies. A star could become into a nebula, or a neutron star or a pulsar and even a black hole. But that is a topic for another one of our videos. So stay tuned to Universe Elucidated. Thank you.